begonias on both sides. Bright and colorful blooms commonly found in a tropical rainforest. The Jurong Bird Park is one of the largest California collection center in the world and the only one in Asia. To your right, dazzling bright red-orange birds, the scarlet ibises. Like the flamingos, the bright colors come from the carotene found in the diet they eat. The shorebirds are located next to the scarlet ibises. To your right, the Royal Ramble, home to crowned pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons, native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya.
Marco, sombrero mo.
Bag nyo.
To your left, the world's largest collections of hornbills and toucans. It's made up of 25 flight aviaries, housing 18 species. To your right, windows on paradise. The bird of paradise is regarded as one of the most beautiful birds on earth. And the Jurong Bird Park is the first in the world to breed these stunning birds. The bird of paradise.